Hello, ma'am, sir. I'm Maria Sheila Ulbiga, 42 years old. I am married. My husband is tricycle driver. I have 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy. Their age is 21, 18, and 17. I am high school graduate. After my school, I'm working as head crew to my auntie's restaurant. 2008 to 2010, I'm working as domestic helper in the Philippines. I taking care 11 years old boy, 10 years old boy, and 8 years old girl. 2017 to 2020, I'm working as domestic helper in the Philippines. I taking care the 8 years old girl and 2 years old boy. 2022 to 2023, I'm working as domestic helper in the Philippines. I taking care the 13 years old girl and 3 years old girl. I am caring, understanding, loving, and friendly. I need to work there in Hong Kong because to earn money to support my children needs. I choose Hong Kong because Hong Kong is one of the good country. I can cook, ma'am, clean the house, washing clothes, ironing the clothes, gardening, and taking care the pets also. If you hired me, ma'am, I am hardworking, willing to learn, and multitasking. Thank you.